Question number 24. Photons of energy 2.3 eV are incident on low pressure vapor. Energy levels are given over here. What energy transition will occur when a photon is absorbed by the vapor? See, if a photon has to be absorbed, the difference in energy levels should be equal to 2.3 electron volt. That's the reason over here. So your delta E should be 2.3 electron volt. We need to find. Okay. So here 0 to 1.6 not possible. 1.6 is a difference. 1.6 to 2.5. This is 0.9. This is also not possible. Here 2.5 to 3.9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So therefore this is also not possible. Okay. Let us take up these two now. This is 2.5, not possible. Then this one 3.9. This is also not possible. Then we have seen all this. Okay. Let us take up this two. These two. 3.9 to 1.6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So I got this is 2.3 electron volt. So therefore, which answer is this? 3.9 to 1.6. 3.9 to 1.6. A is the right answer.